Hey guys, Sakitech from Sakitech, and in today's video we have a secret new update that has been pushed by Samsung to millions of Galaxy smartphones. So let's dive in and see exactly what is going on. Now we do have two phones right here. This one has gotten the update, this one has not gotten the update. So I just want to quickly compare as to see what's going on. So the update has actually been applied to the phone application to multiple modules. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this phone here does not have the update. I'm going to go to my settings, okay? I'm going to scroll down and you'll see it says about phone. Now on this phone, when I go to my phone application, tap on the settings right over here and scroll down. Next to about phone, there is a little orange dot. So that means something is going on. Now when I tap on this phone right over here, you can see we have the phone version, and the phone application actually uses multiple services. So you can see the version of each of these services right over here. It does say the latest version is installed. Now when I tap on this guy right over here, it says that there is an update available. And I also want to show you guys that many of the versions on this phone are actually newer than this phone also. This is 17.5. That is 17.6. So this phone already has the later versions, but it does have another update on top of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on update, and before I tap that, I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this screen. So we have that screenshot in my galleries. I do want to compare which modules are going to get the actual update, and then I want to show you guys what it actually updates, because it does enhance a very powerful built-in service on these phones. So now I'm going to tap on update, and it took me to the Galaxy store, and it says Samsung Call has an update. So I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to update that, all right? And you can see it's saying Samsung Call and Call services are both being updated at the same time. So that's all done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my phone application, tap over here. At the bottom, the dot has disappeared. I'm going to tap on About Phone. We got an update to the call version right here and the call services right here, but the regular version and the SIM transfer version have remained the same, and you can see that by comparing it to the screenshot I just took a couple minutes ago before the update. Okay, now let me show you what actually got the update and what features have been enhanced. So if I go back to my phone right over here, on the top you are going to see we have the call screening and the text call feature. Now these are the features that have been directly enhanced. That means they just work even better now. Now they're amazing services. If you're not using them, I highly recommend you enable them and use them. Call screening is an AI feature that lets an AI assistant take a phone call on your behalf. And if you want to step in, you can at any time. But if you don't want to step in, it will just wrap up the call and then you can call back later. That's call screening. And then you also have the text call feature, which is able to answer a call without saying a word, without you saying a word. The voice assistant will say everything it needs to say. It's going to ask the person, why are they calling? And if they answer that, and if you like the answer, you can take the call. If not, you can just either decline or just let the phone end it by itself. So these two amazing features that will help you and protect you from spam have been updated and now respond and behave even better. Now, this is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and this over here is a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this doesn't have the update yet. So I'm assuming this update is now being pushed out slowly to many other Samsung phones, and you should be getting it very soon. But just to check it, just go to the settings at the bottom, tap on About Phone, and wait for it to load. And if there's an update available, you can just tap right here, and it's going to batch update everything that is supposed to be updated, okay? So great new update. Let me know down below if you have gotten this update or not. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, dump them down below. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?